The place where we work is called the office, and the place where we conduct meetings is called a meeting room, meeting center, or meeting point, right? Similarly, in mathematics, what is the intersection point of the medians called? Let's learn more about this. Medians of a triangle are concurrent, and their point of concurrence is from each vertex at a distance equal to 2 upon 3 of the length of that median. As shown, C, A, and B are the midpoints of the line segment PQ, line segment QR, and line segment PR, respectively, of triangle PQR. Line segment PA, line segment QB, and line segment RC are the medians. G is the centroid. PG is equal to 2 upon 3PA, so that GA is equal to 1 upon 3PA. QG is equal to 2 upon 3QB, so that GB is equal to 1 upon 3QB. RG is equal to 2 upon 3RC, so that GC is equal to 1 upon 3RC. Thus, PG is equal to 2GA, QG is equal to 2GB, RG is equal to 2GC. Let's summarize. In this session, we learned a theorem on the length of the median. It is easy for you to find the coordinate of the midpoint of a line segment, right? How do you find the centroid if we had given coordinates of a triangle? Also, triangles have other centers as well. What are they called? Keep watching our upcoming videos to find out.
Keep imbibing. We believe in you.